My name is Howard Duncan. I am the pastor of the Campus Stella Heights Seventh-day Adventist Church here in Norfolk, Virginia. I just want to be able to give you an opportunity firsthand to be welcomed into the experience of Sustain the Change.
Hello, my name is Todd Hunt. I am part of Sustain the Change. If you want to make a difference in your life, or if you chose to make a difference in your life, you do not want to miss this event. This event will change your life. You have powerful speakers, workshops, things that pertain to your life and making it better, like budgeting, like finances, like entrepreneurship. In fact, we have people there to also help you get jobs.
Sustain the Change is an outgrowth of the vision that I've had all of my life, to get outside of the four walls of the church and touch people's lives right around the church or in the community. Many times we sit back and we wait for others to come to us, or we need to begin to go where people are. And that's what Sustain the Change is.
There are 4 things that someone needs to be successful in life. Listen very carefully. 1, work ethic. 2, talent. 3, learn. You got to learn. 4, being able to be connected to people, being able to be connected to culture, opportunities, and businesses. That's what Sustain the Change will give you. And I'm telling you right now, if you miss this event, you miss the opportunity of a lifetime for you to change your life.
Sustain the Change offers you an opportunity to experience better health, entrepreneurship, budgeting opportunities, for you to be able to glean from businesses that will be networking with you how to experience entrepreneurship on another level, life coaching, for you to be able to understand why you do what you do.
Wherever category you fall into, this is something very, very important, and you need change. But not only change, but you need something to sustain it. That's why this program is so important. Be there, Sustain the Change. Not only is it a great event, but we also have workshops to continue on after the event to give you aftercare. So if you want to make changes and sustain it, please make it out to Sustain the Change.
You have decided to change, you embrace the change, you sustain the change.